smiling. Welcome to the Pure Spirit BeeYard. Come on, I want to show you something.
They're a-buzzing now.
Huh?
So you want to be a beekeeper.
Yeah. Okay. So you want to be a beekeeper? Come on down. That's what happens when you drop a frame of bees. So I don't see the queen in here anywhere. She may have died or been absconded somehow, or
She's on the lam. She knew we were coming.
she might be down here somewhere on this thing, but I don't see her there either. So what I think I'm going to do is put on the queen excluder, dump all the bees out, and not let her back in.
I'm about ready to break into song.
Okay, I don't see her on the slatted rack.
They are buzzing now.
Okay, I'm going to put the slatted rack down here. I'm going to have to take this board, brush these guys off. Brush. Okay, I'll put my queen excluder right there on the bottom. Queen is not allowed back in. Give it another spray of this. Okay, I looked pretty close. I don't think that, I did not, I'm pretty sure the queen is not in there. The only thing that's in that box is a few worker bees and the queen in the cage. Okay, so I got my queen excluder on there. All the old bees are out here. Kicked them out of the hive. My new queen is in the cage, hanging right here, next to a frame of sealed brood from the established hive. The hive's lined up. Next, I'll clean off this feeder stuff. Okay, now the box is empty, and I have my top feeder on top. This is some sugar syrup with 2 parts sugar and a few drops of lemongrass. Now I gotta get all the rest of the bees onto this sheet. Time for the shakedown.
Shake down, break down, busted.
And all the while I'm shaking them, I'm looking for the queen. A little more of this sugar syrup. Get rid of any old queen smell that's on there. Take one more look for the queen. I do not see her. and start shaking them under the sheet. It's going to be hard getting these things empty because they're just fly right back on. Got one that I'll put over here. I really like to find that queen. I do not see her. Some of them hang on really tight.
Some are coming to visit me.
Oh, is that a white dot?
Where?
No, it's not. I've seen her for a second. This hive really got a lot weaker over the last week.
Well, we were worried that those queen cup things.
Right. But now those are gone. Oh, there she is. She's right there. She is
Yay!
there. Okay. Now we got to catch her.
Where's your queen catcher?
I want her and I want a bunch of these guys. Where's the queen catcher? It's in my inside pocket. I'm just gonna grab her and put her in there. There. Okay. Is that enough
Yeah.
bees in there?
I think that's probably plenty.
Probably about just right, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, capture the queen. She's,
We'll look at that in a little bit. Let's finish our shakedown.
okay, let me get her in the shade.
Hmm?
Okay, good. That's the main thing. I wanted that queen. So now we can actually take out the queen excluder, which would be better. Soothing. Gotta get down to the bottom again. Remove the queen excluder. I'm gonna juggle some more stuff around here. We'll take this box. And just drop it right there. Okay, now I got most of those guys in there. Off of the edges. You want to squish them. I'm kind of rough with them, huh? You're going to get squished. Okay, now they're going more towards the top. I did it.
Fantastic.
All the bees are successfully totally disrupted now. Okay, I finished up the shakedown, and the bees are all out of the hive. I've captured the queen, and now I just want them to go back into the hive, release the new queen, and start over.